Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the DTC Diagnostic Trouble Code P2818, indicating that the Shift Solenoid Valve OP, specifically the pressure control solenoid H, is stuck in the on position. This condition can lead to several performance issues in the vehicle, particularly concerning the continuously variable transmission, CVT. The solenoids play a crucial role in controlling hydraulic pressure and ensuring smooth shifting. A malfunctioning solenoid may cause erratic transmission behavior, impacting the overall drivability and efficiency of the vehicle. We will explore the components involved, symptoms, possible causes, and detailed troubleshooting steps for resolving this issue in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. The DTC P2818 specifically pertains to the Shift Solenoid Valve OP, which controls the hydraulic pressure in the transmission. This component is vital for ensuring that the transmission fluid is directed correctly, helping to engage or disengage the transmission smoothly. The shift solenoid valve is generally located within the transmission assembly, integrated into the valve body. If this solenoid becomes stuck in the on position, it can prevent the optimal engagement of gears, leading to erratic shifting and potential mechanical failure. The performance of this valve directly affects all aspects of vehicle operation related to shifting, including acceleration and engine responsiveness. The possible causes for DTC P2818 include a faulty shift solenoid valve OP itself, which may fail due to wear or internal malfunction. Additionally, the failure of the transmission fluid pump can lead to insufficient pressure, which could prevent the solenoid from functioning as intended. Electrical issues, such as short circuits or poor connections in the wiring harness, can also result in false signals, leading the transmission control module to believe that the solenoid is malfunctioning. Systematic evaluation of these components is critical in identifying the root cause of the issue. Each of these causes can significantly impact the vehicle's transmission performance and should be addressed promptly. Symptoms associated with DTC P2818 include erratic shifting behavior, where the transmission may shift unpredictably or fail to shift entirely. Drivers may also notice decreased acceleration as the transmission struggles to engage the appropriate gear, directly affecting performance. The check engine light will typically illuminate as the onboard diagnostic system detects this error, prompting the driver to seek diagnostic assistance. Observing these symptoms early can prevent more severe transmission damage, making timely intervention essential. Understanding these symptoms allows for proactive troubleshooting, potentially saving the driver from costly repairs down the line. The first troubleshooting step involves confirming the issue by ensuring the vehicle is in the on mode, which activates the dashboard and allows access to systems. The next step is to clear the DTC using the HDS Honda Diagnostics System to reset the onboard diagnostics. Following this, you must start the engine, press the brake pedal, and shift the transmission to the N, neutral position. After 1 second, shift to the D, drive position. This part of the test is significant, as it evaluates the transmission's response in a controlled manner. Once the shift is performed, the vehicle should be drive tested until reaching a speed of 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, followed by a deliberate slowdown and stopping for at least 10 seconds. This process helps to ensure that any errors can be accurately recorded during the vehicle's operational state. After completing the initial test drive, the next step is to turn the vehicle to the off lock mode, effectively resetting the systems again. This is essential as it allows any transient faults to be cleared. Once the vehicle is off, you should repeat the test drive as described in the previous step. This will help confirm whether the DTC reappears under identical conditions. After conducting the second drive, use the HDS to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. This diagnostic check can reveal whether the initial issue persists or has been resolved. It's critical to note whether the same DTC is indicated or if the issue is intermittent, which can guide further troubleshooting steps. In this step, you will utilize the HDS to select the Shift Solenoid Valve OP test from the miscellaneous test menu. This test is designed to evaluate whether the Shift Solenoid Valve OP operates correctly and responds to commands sent from the diagnostic system. This operational check is crucial in determining if the solenoid itself is functional or if it has failed, which would cause the P2818 code. If the solenoid performs as expected during this test, it indicates that the component is okay, and you will need to assess the transmission fluid pump for potential issues. However, if the Shift Solenoid Valve OP does not operate correctly, that confirms the need for replacement of the shift solenoid itself. Accurate diagnostics in this step are essential to ensure that you're addressing the proper component causing the issue. After carrying out the necessary repairs, the final verification stage is critical in ensuring the problem has been resolved. First, observe the overall performance of the vehicle during a test drive, noting any irregularities in shifting or engine behavior. It's paramount to ensure that the vehicle operates smoothly and as intended without any signs of continued issues. Next, use the HDS to verify that no DTCs remain in the system after the repairs. This step is vital as it confirms that the diagnostic codes have been successfully cleared and that the issues were resolved. Proper verification procedures help to provide peace of mind that the repairs made are stable and that the vehicle is now functioning in optimal condition. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in mitigating issues such as those indicated by DTC P2818. Regular checks of the transmission fluid are essential to ensure that it is at the appropriate level and in good condition, as poor fluid can lead to component malfunction. Periodic inspections of the transmission and its related components can help identify potential issues before they escalate. This proactive approach allows for timely repairs and replacements, which can save cost and time in the long run. Additionally, consider preventive replacement of solenoids during major repairs or at regular intervals, as wear and tear can lead to failures. Following these maintenance practices helps ensure longevity and performance in the transmission system. In conclusion, DTC P2818 indicates a malfunction of the Shift Solenoid Valve OP, leading to potential severe transmission issues if not addressed. The structured troubleshooting steps outlined in this presentation provide a clear pathway for diagnosing and resolving the problem effectively. It's essential to identify whether the solenoid or other components, like the transmission fluid pump, are at fault. Effective repairs and subsequent verification steps ensure that the vehicle operates correctly, preventing any recurrence of the issue. Lastly, adopting a routine preventive maintenance schedule can significantly reduce the chances of facing similar issues in the future, ensuring optimal performance and reliability in your Honda Civic. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.